Gmail is not opening in your browser. Here's how to fix it. First, click on the three dots that are on the top right corner of your screen. Now once it drops down, go to Help and click on About Google Chrome. Now what we're trying to do here is we're making sure that Chrome is updated. Sometimes, some of its features may not work if it's not updated fully. As you can see here, my Chrome is automatically updating. Just wait for it to finish downloading and you should be able to open your Gmail again. Now once it's done downloading, it should look something like this. Just click on the relaunch button and your problem should be fixed. Now if it's still not working, maybe the cache or cookies are messed up. So what we need to do is to clear them. To do that, click on the three dots again, hover your mouse over history, and then click on Open History page. Once you're here on the left, click on Delete Browsing Data. Now, what you need to do is change the timeline to all time. Just click on More and click on All Time. Now, a quick warning before you click on Delete Data, this will log out all the accounts on your browser. So make sure that you keep that in account. If you don't have a problem with that, click on Delete Data and you should be able to open your Gmail on Chrome.